Gusto mo ng end lot na bahay pero budget mo pang townhouse lang? Check this out. Bank for Close Property in General Trias, Cavite. End lot, mas valuable plus extra space, bidding process, 20,000 reservation lang para makasali. As is where is. Paunahan sa offers, hindi ito pa reserve lang. Kailangan manalo ka sa bidding. Lot area, 54 square meter. Floor area, 42 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Perfect starter home or investment. Starting bidding price, 1,890,000. Sample computation, 20% down payment, 378,000. 80% balance, 1,512,000. 15 years to pay, monthly around 17,000 to 19,000 per month. Estimated required income, 45,000 to 60,000 per month. Household income, pwede combined income. Transfer of title not included. As is where is. Bidding, hindi guaranteed. Kung gusto mong maka-end lot sa bahay, 20k lang para makasali sa bidding. Message now bago maunahan. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now for inquiries. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!